tackle taminyo is more about my narratives. No, perhaps, cosa bagat el razón, cosa ba el purpose de este mio journey na local governance or local government. So to start with, tinyo ko muna si subtitle, background and motivation. So, as early or after my retirement, I retired on November 1, 2022. And then, yakadayo private citizens. Private citizen, No, tali kita na Sambuanga, tanda kita mang grocery, tanda kita mang tiangge, tapasya kita, mobil kita na syudad, as a motorist, four-wheel vehicles, motorcycle, tanda kita mang tiangge, tapasa kita ng mga kamino. Incidentally, pwede tayo kita uwi ng mga news, ng mga noticias di aton na lokal, na mga kosa tapasan na syudad di aton, including mga yamuri na tiroteo, tiyan kita mga problema na baha, todo kita mga issues and concern na sa mga city, tiyan kita tawi mga batikos na local governance, and then tiyan kita natin mga opinion. Pero it all boils down into one, no? Akil concern kita ako sa tapasan na syudad del Zamboanga. So, tinatayang kita mga teachers, mga parents, taanda ka naton, tapidi ayuda in terms of na kosa ba na education, na schools regarding del dila mga bata as learners, tinabes mga teachers del dila concern, el sitwasyon dila ng mga eskwela, el dila mga assignments and stations and so on. May mucho ka tila problema, and then alayo yan realize, kay helpless gali yun, no? Sino yung maya kita na poder, kay tapikura man kita man reach out kung mga concern, no? Through text message, thinking na pwede pa kita kanila pidi ayuda, thinking kasi no, estabay dila superintendent and estabay uban dila, so baka pwede tayo sila uwi daton mga apelo or on behalf of the people who are actually in needs. So amuse, kada yung helpless, so tayo kumita ba sir, porque tayo retire temprano, na hoben pa man to. I retired actually at 61 years old, no? And then, so for those almost 2 years siya ara, after 1 year retirement din yun, yung ayudol helpless kat yun. Singkaw sa'yo kere ayuda, hindi ka pwede. So, chene, yan mo tiko-tiko miyo, kosa daw kasi hindi yun man-offer din yourself as city councilor, baka pwede ka siya ayuda. So, amo kailan entertain yung idea, siguro sometime in September of 2023 or last year. Chene, ko sa gabra sila, gana lang to sir, kay el suporta pa lang del mga teachers, del mga parents, sabi series, during my time, 2012, yan institutionalized kat kita kunel general, or PTA, no? Parents Teachers Association, LCT Federation, from the schools, kasi kita in accordance to the guidelines, yapikura kat kita, sige kay because this is one sector, Parents Teachers Association, who serves as a strong partner of the Department of Education that brings about better quality education to our children. So sino kita partnership or hindi ta kopera ka naton daton mga mayores or parents, tatya kita problema. So uno sa tamen avenue tan serve as para solve mga issues and concerns na school level, na district level, in a city level. So na school level, tiyan kita talama school governing council, na aligit sila tan komposita sila todo para pwede sila tiyan stakeholdership, tiyan kita partnership, and that is what we call tiyan kita participatory governance in terms of managing the school is concerned, because DepEd alone or the school principal and the teachers alone cannot solve all the problems in the school. That's why we need the partnership of the parents, including the barangay. Kay uno man tamin kita, sila man tamin elta benepisya, kay di lang mga bata, el mga learners, amo sila di lang mga konstituente. So, uno sila di lang mga kwan. And during my time as a school superintendent sa Zamboanga City, ito yung kita buwan relasyon ng mga barangay as well.